What's the meaning of Burns Night? Burns Night. Burns Night.
Burns Night. Burns Night. Burns Night is a Scottish celebration that takes place on January 25 annually. It commemorates the life and work of Robert Burns, Scotland's national poet. The evening typically involves a traditional banquet, speeches, and the recitation of Burns' poetry. The centerpiece of the night is the piping in of the haggis, a traditional Scottish dish made from sheep's heart, liver, and lungs, which is then cooked with spices and served with neeps and tatties, turnips and potatoes. The haggis is usually accompanied by copious amounts of whiskey. Overall, Burns Night is a lively and joyous celebration of Scotland's cultural heritage and its most famous literary figure.